हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका रितुस मैथमेटिक्स चैनल में। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्क्वायरिंग ऑफ टू डिजिट नंबर्स। ओके, बिफोर दैट टेल मी द स्क्वायर ऑफ 42, हाउ क्विकली you can do. Yes, it's 1764. What about 65 square? It's 4225. So wondering how I'm doing calculation very quickly without copy pen and the calculator. So let's see how it can be possible. So today I'm going to show you the short tricks for squaring of two-digit numbers. So first of all, we'll have a look on the numbers which are having unit place as 0. So let's take a number that is 30 square. So we'll do the square of 30. Now what we can do over here, it's quite simple we can say, but today I'm going to discuss 0 to 9 unit places. So let's see for this one. So at the end we'll put two zeros. It's fixed for each and every number which is having unit place 0. And 3 ka square we know that is 9. So this number will do squaring. So it would be 9. So the answer would be 900. Let's take one more number. All right. So I'm giving you a number that is 50 square. Quickly do. What would be the answer? Write in the comment box quickly. Yes, it would be double zero here and 5 square would be 25. So 2500 would be the answer. Now let's take the number in which unit place is 1. So what about in which unit place is 1? Suppose I'm taking the number 21 square. So here, first of all, we'll do the square of the ones place. So here, if we'll observe, the ones place is 1. So square of 1 is 1, we all know. So write the square in two digits. How we can write 1 in two digits? That is 0, 1. So we'll write this as 0, 1. Now, we'll do the square of the tens place. Now, what is tens place over here? We can see it's 2. So 2 square is 4 again. So how we can write 4 in two digit number? 0, 4. Now what we are going to do, the most important step, we'll multiply these two digits. That is 2 multiplied by 1. And then the answer we will multiply by 2 again. So how much we'll get? That is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now this number we will write in middle. In the middle of the number 0401 here. And how we can write 4 in two digits? Like 04. Always remember, whenever you're doing square, write that number in two digit form. Now simply add. So we can say 1 directly, same. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 0 exactly same. So no need of this 0, because if 0 is written before a number, that doesn't make any sense. So 441 is the correct answer. You must know about the square of 21. Now let's take a bigger number. Okay, let's do the square of a number 61 square. Let's do this. Quickly do in the comment box. Let's see how much time you're taking. All right, let's see. So 1. So first of all, I'll do the square of the ones digit, that is 1. So 0, 1. Now square of the tens place, 6 square, that is 36. Now we'll multiply these two numbers, that is 6 and 1. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. And now we'll multiply it with the number 2. Now we can say this is 12. So 12 we will write in middle. Now we are going to add all the numbers. So what we'll get? 1, 2, 7, 3. So this would be the answer of the number. Easy? Alright, let's move to the next number, which is having the unit place 2. So let's take a number. Suppose I'm taking 32 ka square. Okay. Now in this, again the same trick. Okay, as similar to the ones in which the unit place is 1. So we'll do the squaring of the ones place over here. So ones place we can see this is 2. 2 square is 4. Don't forget to write two digit form 0, 4. Now 3 square 9. Again we will write in two digit form, that is 0, 9. Now we'll do the multiplication of the digits. So how much it would be? 3 multiplied by 2. Yes, you are correct. 6. Now we'll multiply it with 2 again. So how much? 12. That number we are going to write in the middle. Now let's do the addition. So how much we'll get after addition? 4, 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So it will go carry over and 1. So this would be the answer. right? Okay, so I'm giving you a number for calculating. Just quickly do for the number 82 square. Let's find it in 2 seconds. All right, write in the comment box. I think mostly you have done. Okay, let's see now. 2 square, 4, very nice. 8 square, how much? 64. Now we'll do the multiplication of the digits. So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So we'll get 32. Okay, so we'll write in middle. Now let's add quickly. So it would be 4, 2, 7, 6. 6,724 would be the answer. All right, let's see for the numbers which are having unit place 3. So suppose I'm taking a number that is 43 square. All right, so if I say that the trick is same as similar to 1 and 2, it would be great, right? It would be great because the trick is going to be same over here also. So let's do the 3 square of the ones place. The 3 square would be 9, square of the tens place 16. Now multiply the digits. 4 multiplied by 3, and again we will multiply by 2. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 multiplied 2 would be 24. We'll write in the middle. Now let's add, and how much we'll get? Let's have a look. So we'll get 9, 4, 8, 1. So 1849. This would be the answer. Okay, quickly do this one. 73 square. Okay, let's see now. 3 square, 9, wonderful. 7 square, 49. Let's multiply the digits. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 2 would be 42. Let's write in the middle. And now do the addition. So how much we'll get after addition? This will be 9, 2, 9 plus 4, 13. Carry and 5. It would be 5629. Wonderful. Let's see for the numbers which are having the units place 4. You would be amazed to listen from me that the numbers in which we are having the unit places 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm repeating again. The numbers which are having the unit place 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 are having the same tricks. Square of the ones place. Let's see the number over here. Square of the ones place, square of the tens place, multiply the digits, and then multiply that answer with 2 again, and write that number in the middle. Then do the addition part. You'll get, this will be the answer. Amazed? Okay, so now I'm skipping 5, unit place 5, because it's little bit different. So first of all, we'll cover up the place numbers which are having the unit place as 6, 7, 8, 9, because it is having same trick. So I'm giving a number with the 6 as unit place. Okay, let's solve 86 square. Okay, quickly do the same trick. Yeah, let's see now. So 6 square would be 36, 8 square would be 64. Let's multiply these two digits. 8 multiplied by 6, how much it will be? Yes, 8 6 are 48, and then multiplied by 2, how much it would be? 96. Now we'll write this number in the middle, and then we'll do addition. So let's add, how much we'll get? 6 exactly same. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, and this would be carry over, and this would be 7396. Wonderful. Now let's move to the next number. The number which is having the unit places 7 this time. Okay, quickly do the same trick. 79 square. Okay, let's solve this one. I think it's done. Don't forget to write in the comment box. Your answers are very precious for me. So 9 square would be 81. 7 square would be 49. Now let's multiply the numbers. 7 times 9 would be 63. Then multiply it with 2 again. So 2 times 3 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, now let's write in the middle. So wondering how we are going to write? Okay, let me tell you, we are going to write in the middle again. So how we will write in the middle? Here. Let's add the numbers. Okay, quickly tell me the number, how much it would be. 79 square. Let's solve it. Okay, let's see. 8, 6, 14. It would be 6,241. Easy. Always remember that try to write the number from the middle part, skipping the units place. Okay, now let's move to the number in which we are having the unit place as 8. Okay, let's see that number. Okay, do it. 88 square. Let's solve. Yes, let's see now. 8 8s are 64. Again 8 8s are 64. Square of the tens place. Now we'll multiply the digits. 8 8s are again 64. And 64 multiplied by 2 would be, let's see. So when we multiply by 2, we'll get 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. How much answer we'll get after addition? Let's have a look. Quickly tell me. Yes, 4, 8, 6, 14, 5, 6, 7 and 7. So it would be 7744, right? That's great. Okay, now let's move further. Now I'm giving you a number in which the unit place is 7. Okay, 67 square. Quickly do and write in the comment box. After that, we are going to have a look on the numbers which are having the unit place 5, the different trick. Okay, let's solve this one. Great, let's do 7 square, 49, 6 square, 36. Multiply the numbers, digits. 6 times 7 would be 42, and 42 multiplied by 2 would be 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8. This we are going to write in the middle. Now we are going to add the numbers. After addition, we'll get 4489. So are you also getting the same answer? Now, if you will try, you can solve in your mind also. You would be very quick in doing the calculation of squaring of 2-digit numbers. Now, let's see the trick of the numbers which are having unit place as 5. It's going to be quite easy again. Let's see the number. Okay, suppose I'm taking a number 35, square of 35. Okay, so first of all, we'll just fix the place, that is 5 square, 25. This is fixed in all the numbers which are having 5 as unit place. Now, let's talk about the number at tens place. So at tens place, we can see it's 3. So we are going to multiply this 3 by its consecutive number. So consecutive number of 3 would be 4. Consecutive number means the number next to it. So we'll multiply 3 with the number 4. How much? 12. So 1, 2, 2, 5 would be the answer of this. Okay, great. Let's do one more question. So I'm giving you a question based on the unit place 5. Let's solve 75 square. Okay, quickly do and write in the comment box. Okay, let's see. 5 square, 25, fixed. Now 7 we are going to multiply with the consecutive number, that is 8. 7 times 8 would be 56. 5625 would be the answer here. Easy? Okay, so let's have a quick round with the mixing of the numbers. Any number I'm giving now, and you need to write the answer by looking onto the tricks. Okay, so I'm giving a number randomly. It's 43 square. Okay, what you are going to see over here, the unit place. Unit place is 3. That means the trick would be square of the ones place. Make sure 2 digits you're writing. Square of the tens place. Then multiply the digits. 4 times 3, 12, and then multiply it with 2. 24 you're going to write in the middle. Now you're going to add. So it will be 9, 4, 8, 1. That means 1849. Okay, let me give another number quickly. And the number would be 75 square. Okay, let's solve this one. So the unit place is 5 this time. Make sure 25 would be fixed, and 7 you are going to multiply with the next number to it. That means 7 we are multiply with 8. 7 times 8 would be 56. 5625 would be the answer. Okay, let's take another number. Okay, this time I'm giving you a number that is 64 square. Okay, let's solve this. So have a look, the unit place is 4. So the trick is going to be same as I told you, the tricks of the numbers in which the unit place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each and every number is going to be having the same trick. So you are going to apply the same trick over here. 4 square, 16, 6 square, 36. Multiply the digits now. 6 4s are 24. And then multiply it with 2. So how much? It will be 48. This number we're going to write in the middle. Then we are going to do addition over here. So 6, 9, 10, and this will be 4. So 4096. Okay, let's take the last number for this video now. So the last number would be 29 square. Okay, do this. Again, the unit place is 9, so the trick is going to be same as 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So 9 square, let's do the square of the ones place. This 9. 9 square is 81. Then do the squaring of the tens place. 2 square, 4. Shall I write like this? Yes, I need to write like 0, 4, 2-digit numbers. Now we are going to multiply the digits. 2 multiplied by 9 would be 18. And then by which number shall I multiply? Yes, correct, by 2. 18 times 2 would be 36. So we are going to write 36 in the middle. Now we are going to add the numbers. So after addition, how much we'll get? Let's see. Yes, 8 and 0. So it would be 841, we can say, right? 0841 is similar to 841. So 29 square is equals to, answer of this one is equals to 841. That's great. So here we are ending our session. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press bell icon. I would be thankful to you. Okay. And don't forget to tell me the next topic, whatever you want to study. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.